My name's Nicole Kay and I'm EVO's Creative Director, and today we're talking about our new professional treatment range, Top Drop. We created this new range to help support salons with an essential service that has the power to dramatically boost salon business. Top Drop offers results that can be seen and felt instantly, which means no extra time required for you or the client.
All you have to do is shampoo the hair, towel dry, and put the spray nozzle on the bottle. For hydrate, repair and platinum, spray it evenly through the hair. For scalp, spray first, focusing on the scalp and then the hair. Give it a good comb through to distribute the product, rinse it thoroughly and style the hair as desired.
Unlike traditional professional treatments, Top Drop is super simple. It's not about boosters or complicated systems, it's just easy to use and implement. The thing that really makes Top Drop stand out is the highly concentrated formulas that improve condition, colour retention and manageability for stronger, more hydrated hair. From personal experience, I love the slip that you get instantly. You can comb the hair straight through from roots to ends and you get the most incredible shine and manageability in the hair. As with all EVO ranges, Top Drop has been created with people and the planet in mind. It's vegan, cruelty-free, made without sulfates, parabens or gluten. And because we know that professional treatments are high-volume products, Top Drop vials are made from glass with aluminium lids, which means they can be infinitely recycled.
Top Drop is available in hydrate, repair, platinum and scalp.
The hydrate concentrate is great for people with really dry, colour-treated hair. It deeply moisturizes the hair to reduce frizz, greatly improve softness, shine and manageability. The repair concentrate is perfect for those with weakened, brittle, colour-treated hair. It instantly repairs and strengthens while helping to improve condition and manageability. The platinum concentrate is designed for those with dull, dry, colour-treated blonde hair. It instantly neutralises those unwanted brassy tones, helping to refresh colour whilst improving the condition and adding shine.
Top Drop Scalp is the newest addition to EVO's range of professional in-salon treatments. It instantly soothes and protects the scalp by helping to improve with inflammation, irritation and dryness. This treatment can be used on all scalp types, but is especially beneficial for those with dry, itchy or irritated scalps.
Top Drop has been formulated to align with the existing EVO families, so you can provide your clients with a complete EVO prescription to make the results last beyond their salon appointment. What I personally think is the most beneficial part of the whole system is that it does work instantly and you do get that instant gratification. I'm so excited for everybody to get Top Drop in their salons and experience it themselves and love it as much as we do.